Alright everyone, here is another different video. Oh yeah, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I've recently subscribed to a monthly subscription service that's all centered around the full moon each month, and it's called Lunarly. Pretty cool, right? This one I'm going to show you was actually for the August full moon. Now these boxes are pretty interesting. They are a little higher priced. I will throw up the facts right now. And of course you can pay it in different tiers. If you pay for more months in advance, you get a discount. Every other box is a little different. One box you will receive an awesome artisanal like candle that you could burn for your full moon ritual. Or you just burn because they're awesome smelling candles. And then the next month you will get a plant that is centered around whatever that full moon's month theme is. So 1 month's a candle, 1 month's a plant, 1 month's a candle, 1 month's a plant. And then each box you're guaranteed to get a crystal of some sort and I believe 3 other products. So I of course filmed when I initially got this with my initial first impressions. So I will cut to that now. Tension kit. Okay. Oh, some stickers. I love it. These are gonna go in my journal. The different moons. I guess this is the... Oh, okay. Just blank. Actual box here. I love that it's black. Right? Core moon. Talks about the core moon. The booklet about the core moon, I guess what's in the box. Some root chakra oil. Metatron cube metal ornament. What's behind? Hematite is the stone. Oh, and a keratin leave-in spray. Okay. A hair product. And this talks about the candle. Agave, sea salt, and coconut. Alright, the Metatron ornament. You can see. It is beautiful. It is the keratin spray. And then the root chakra oil. First thing I will show is this candle. Now I'm not just saying this to say this. This candle smells incredible. Black is my favorite color. Oh, look at the orbs. I love that it's black on black on black. And the bottom says how it is for the August moon, full moon. And then another card is in here to basically explain the corn moon, the phases of it, when it was exactly full, which was September 2nd, which is already passed. And it talks about the importance of the corn moon and an inspiring intention that you can set. I am thankful for my blessings. The other products. The first one, Rocky Mountain Oil's Root Chakra. An essential oil blend that is made to inspire determination in your root chakra. What it's made of, how to use it. Alright. 10 milliliters. I believe it's a roller ball. Inspires confidence and determination. Apply to temples and wrists and the base of the spine, where the root chakra is located. There's that product. The next thing is a Metatron cube metal ornament, something that you're supposed to hang, ideally where it can catch sunlight. The figure that is carved into this is the Metatron's cube. It's a symbol of sacred geometry. It contains all 5 shapes of the Platonic solids. This ancient pattern is believed to represent the intertwining connection of all things within the universe. It's supposed to bring a sense of peace and symmetry to your space. View it as a reminder of the beauty that bonds you with nature. So we'll be hanging this up. All right, and the crystal I got this month is hematite, which I'm very excited about. Excited to grow my crystal collection. Very heavy, very solid crystal. A month that calls for hustle means it also calls for calm. Find balance, connection with the help of hematite. Connects with the root chakra, brings a sense of grounding when you're feeling restless. And it teaches you, there's a little instruction on how to meditate with it. And so there we are. And then the beauty product that is inside this month's box is this keratin, Feather Beauty Keratin Leave-In Spray. This is a leave-in strengthening serum, a keratin formula to protect your hair from dryness and breakage, which is something I definitely need. It's 4 fluid ounces, apply daily. Spray on clean, damp hair, making sure to focus on the drier, brittle areas in the middle and ends. Do not rinse out. But all right, so this was my August Corn Moon Lunarly box. I actually already got my September box, which hopefully I'll be filming that soon. But yes, if this seems like it's something for you, all of Lunarly's information I will have in the description. I don't really know off the top of my head if there's like a referral program, but if there is, I may include that link. Of course, you don't have to use it. But yeah, that's it. Again, this is Rose. Thank you so much for watching this crap. I know this is kind of a different setup for an unboxing type video for my channel, but hey, here's to trying some new things. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become a part of my family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and hopefully you'll be hearing from me. Probably not seeing me, but hearing from me very soon. Bye.